What were some lessons you learned that I'm going to do X differently next time with your MVP launch?
We had a very aggressive initial timeline that we even announced to the world. This course was supposed to launch on January the 1st. New year, new you, come up your skills. That was 6 weeks from ideation to course launch, and it takes a lot longer than you think it's going to take to get the content ready, because we were doing video, text, quizzes, assignments, and there's just so much that goes into the creation of the course. It's going to take 4 times what you think it's going to take. So that's lesson 1. If you think it's going to take a month, plan 6 months.
You thought it would take 6 weeks. It took 6 months, right?
Yeah. And I'm
Cool.
falling on the sword because I announced Black Friday and through the early part of December, you will get a course on January the 1st. And we did not launch it, obviously, until May the 1st. I was, as we say in South Louisiana, where I'm from, I was crawfishing. Crawfish move backwards. So I was doing a little bit of crawfishing and begging for forgiveness. And they were gracious. Our users, our audience, they're awesome. And they were very understanding and forgiving.